Welcome to Ronen's Playhouse and Learning. Hey, Playhouse pals. Welcome back to Ronen's Playhouse, where we learn, laugh, and level up our lives every single week. I'm here with the best tips, tricks, and tales. Today's tip of the week is a game changer. Ready for it? Clean your room without being asked. Wait, what? Why would anyone clean their room on purpose? Stick around and I'll tell you. But first, a story. The Great Room Cleanup. This is Maya. Maya is 10 years old and she's awesome. She has curly brown hair with pink streaks, always tied up in a side ponytail. Today, she's wearing a sunny yellow t-shirt, denim overalls, and pink sneakers with rainbow laces. It's Saturday morning, and Maya's room looks like a tornado made of Legos, socks, and cereal bowls came for a visit.
Where's my other shoe?
She steps on a Lego.
Ouch!
Maya, please clean your room before you go outside.
But I was gonna build a spaceship and find my sparkly notebook.
That's when Maya had an idea. What if she cleaned her room before being asked? Could she turn her room into a cool zone where she could think, play, and chill? Maya folds her clothes into drawers like a ninja. She zooms around with a laundry basket. She makes her bed with flair and a karate kick at the pillow. She places a small plant and a lava lamp on her desk. Boom! In just 25 minutes, her room went from yikes to yes, queen.
You cleaned without me asking.
Yup, it's my new power move. Now that's a spaceship-worthy room.
Now, you might be thinking, why clean your room without being asked? Isn't that just doing extra work? Here's the scoop. You feel in control. Your space, your rules. A clean room makes your brain feel calm and ready for fun, games, or even homework. Okay, maybe not fun, but easier. No surprises from grown-ups. Imagine never hearing "Go clean your room" again. Freedom. You'll find lost treasures. Maya found her sparkly notebook and 3 missing sock friends. You become a superhero of responsibility. Grown-ups trust you more when you show you can handle your space. Fun Facts Zone. Fact number 1. Kids in Japan often clean their own classrooms. It teaches responsibility and teamwork. Fact number 2. Making your bed every morning is linked to better habits and even better sleep. Fact number 3. Scientists say a cluttered room can make your brain feel cluttered too. Bonus tip. Set a timer for 15 minutes and race the clock. Cleaning becomes a game, not a chore. So what do you think, Playhouse pals? Are you ready to clean your room without being asked? Be like Maya. Find your power move and own your space. If you liked this tip, hit subscribe, smash that like button, and don't forget to ring that bell, so you never miss a tip, trick, or epic story. This is your host from the Playhouse saying, keep it clean, keep it cool, and keep being you. See you next week.